This patch looks harmless, but it hides a secret borrowed from creatures that fire venom to survive. So engineers studied how stingers slip into skin with almost no force, which means they could copy that shape to deliver medicine fast. The result is a microneedle patch built like a venom barb, but it stays painless because the needles are thinner than a hair. So drugs spread in seconds without a syringe, which means vaccines and insulin can reach the body far more smoothly. And that's why a defense trick from animals is now transforming human medicine.